What if I told you OpenAI just dropped a coding model that makes it possible for someone with zero programming background to build and deliver professional software projects to paying clients? This is GPT 5.3 Codex, and it might be the biggest leverage opportunity for freelancers and consultants that I have seen in months. Hey, this is Paul James, and today I am breaking down how this new model works, why it matters to you as a creator or service provider, and exactly how you can turn this into real income without needing to become a developer first. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. So here is the problem that most people run into when they think about offering coding services. They assume you need years of experience, expensive software subscriptions, or a computer science degree to compete. That barrier keeps talented people stuck doing low-paying gigs instead of landing high-value software projects. Meanwhile, businesses everywhere need custom tools built, but hiring a traditional developer costs thousands of dollars and takes weeks of back and forth communication. This is where everything shifts. OpenAI just released their most powerful agentic coding model, and it changes the entire game for how fast you can deliver real software. I am calling this the Build and Bill framework, and it works because you are not writing code yourself anymore. You are directing an AI system that handles the technical execution while you focus on understanding what the client actually needs and making sure it gets delivered correctly. Here is what makes GPT 5.3 Codex different from every other coding assistant out there. First, it runs about 25% faster than the previous version while using fewer resources, which means you can iterate on projects quickly without burning through expensive API credits. Second, it handles complete workflows autonomously instead of just spitting out code snippets that you have to assemble yourself. Third, it excels at building visual applications like games, interactive websites, and dashboard tools that clients can actually see and use immediately. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. The model can take a single detailed prompt and generate a fully functional application from start to finish. We are talking about games with physics engines, web apps with multiple pages and working databases, or business tools that automate repetitive tasks. This is not toy stuff. This is production-level software that businesses actually pay for. Here is where things get wild. OpenAI trained this model to understand context across 400,000 tokens, which means it can work on massive projects without losing track of what you asked for 3 steps ago. That context window matters because real client work involves making changes, adding features, and adjusting details as you go. Most coding assistants forget what you said 2 prompts ago. This one remembers your entire project scope and keeps building coherently. Most people never realize this part. The model does not just write code. It creates documentation, handles debugging, manages file structures, and even works with spreadsheets and presentation files. That means you can deliver complete project packages to clients instead of just handing them a pile of code they cannot understand or maintain. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The pricing structure makes this viable for freelancers who are just starting out. OpenAI charges $1.75 per million input tokens and $14 per million output tokens. That sounds like a lot until you realize a typical project might cost you less than $5 in API usage, but you can bill the client $500 to $1,500 for the finished deliverable. Now let me walk you through how this actually works for someone trying to build a service business. Imagine you connect with a small business owner who runs a local gym. They need a simple booking system where clients can schedule classes and pay online. In the old way, they would hire a developer for $3,000 and wait 6 weeks. With GPT 5.3 Codex, you spend 2 hours understanding exactly what they need, then you use the model to build the entire system in an afternoon. You test it, make adjustments, add their branding, and deliver a working product by end of day. You charge them $800, they are thrilled because they save time and money, and you made that income with minimal technical skill required on your end. That is the build and bill framework in action. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. You do not need to become an expert at coding to use this effectively. You need to become an expert at translating business problems into clear instructions that the model can execute. That is a completely different skill, and it is way easier to learn than traditional programming. This is where everything clicks. Think about all the businesses in your local area that need custom software but cannot afford big agency prices. Restaurants need reservation systems, consultants need client portals, Coaches need course platforms. Real estate agents need lead management tools. Every single one of those projects is now accessible to you with this model doing the heavy technical lifting. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. It seemed like you needed to understand every line of code to actually deliver something valuable. But the truth is, clients care about results, not how you got there. They want their problem solved, and this model lets you solve complex problems without needing to manually write thousands of lines of code yourself. Here is where this gets even more practical for creators and freelancers. The model works great for building interactive content, educational tools, or lead magnets that you can use in your own business. Need a quiz funnel for your coaching program? Build it with Codex. Want an interactive calculator that captures emails? Same thing. Trying to create a portfolio showcase with animations and smooth transitions? The model handles that too. Now let me be direct about the money side of this. Businesses pay between $200 and $800 for basic web tools or simple applications. More complex projects with custom features and integrations go for $1,500 to $3,000. When your actual cost to build is under $10 in API usage and a few hours of your time, those margins make sense even if you are just starting out. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. The model currently works through the Codex app, the VS Code extension, or the command line interface. The API access is not available yet, but for most service providers that does not matter because the app interface is simple enough for anyone to use. You do not need to be a terminal wizard or a command line expert. You just need to communicate clearly about what you want built. Here's something most tutorials never touch. The real skill is not in using the model itself. The real skill is in scoping projects correctly, managing client expectations, and delivering work that actually solves their business problem. That is where you add value as the service provider. The model gives you leverage. Your judgment and communication make you irreplaceable. Let me give you a concrete example of how this could play out over the next 30 days. Week 1, you reach out to 5 local businesses and offer to build them a simple tool for free just to practice and build your portfolio. Maybe it is a contact form with automation, a basic booking page, or a product showcase. Week 2, you take those case studies and start pitching paid projects at $400 each. Week 3, you land 2 clients and deliver both projects in a week. Week 4, you raise your prices to $600 and start targeting slightly bigger businesses who need more features. That is a realistic timeline using GPT-5.3 Codex as your technical partner. You are not competing with enterprise dev shops. You are competing with freelancers charging $15 an hour on Upwork, and you are going to win that battle every time because you can deliver faster and better with this kind of leverage. Now here is where you need to think bigger. This is not just about building websites or apps for clients. This is about creating digital products you can sell over and over. Build a tool once, package it for a specific niche, and sell it to multiple customers. A real estate agent CRM, a fitness class booking system, a restaurant menu manager. Each one of those becomes a recurring income stream instead of a one-time project. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this framework. You wake up with client projects in your pipeline that you can actually deliver without needing to hire developers or learn to code from scratch. You have a service offering that commands real prices because businesses see the value immediately. You are not trading hours for dollars anymore. You are using leverage to deliver outcomes that clients pay for, regardless of how long it took you to build. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.